Hello vlog. Good morning.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to the vlog. And as you can see, we are in a different location because we are in Singapore!
Perfect night tonight. It's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky. Just you and I.
Hi everyone! So it's already 1 p.m. and we are still here in the airport and we are about to eat our first meal, and okay lang yun kasi we are eating beside the Rain Vortex Waterfall, which is one of the tourist attractions here in the Changi Airport. We are eating here at Sampan Man, wherein new meals nila are more on vegetables and seafood. So we have actually ordered already, pero yung dumadating pa lang na order namin ay yung drinks namin, which are milk tea and yogurt. So si Daddy, in order niya of course ay yung yogurt because that is his favorite. Meanwhile kami ni Mami, we went for their milk tea, and ganoon din kina Tito Kaloy and Kuya Bong. Actually, order nila iced tea, pero sa Singapore, isa lang pala yun. Anyway, my first meal here in Singapore ay isang salted egg fish skin chips because sa Singapore, masarap yung luto nila ng salted egg. So, join me guys as I enjoy my first meal. Currently on our way to the hotel ba? Yeah. Ngayon naman, ibababa na naman yung mga luggage bago ulit lumipot.
Yun muna tayo.
Oo, yun nga. Okay, see you guys sa hotel. So it's already 4:40 and we have recharged. Wow. So now we're off to the Singapore flyer. And hindi na ako nagpalit ng ng outfit. I'm still wearing the same jumpsuit that I was wearing a while ago. Wow. So we'll be spending the rest of the day doon sa Singapore flyer and sa Merlion ata. So, si Daddy nasa labas na. So, ito lang yung room namin. Ito yung door. So, pagpasok mo, CR. And then, the bed na. Yan. Okay, sige. So, alis na raw kami. I'll see you guys when we're there na.
Infinity. Developed in 1930.
So we are now riding the bus, but this is special because we are riding the city tour bus. Alam nyo ba, our original plan was to go directly to the Singapore Flyer. So it is all God's doing that we were still able to go around and witness the beautiful city of Singapore. So as you can see, each corner is an attraction. So this is proof that Singapore has really mastered the integration of greens and their architecture. And I hope you guys will also one day be able to witness this yourselves. Pero right now, I hope that you are enjoying watching this vlog and samahan niyo pa akong ma-amaze.
Thank you so much. We enjoyed.
Grabe, ang bait and ang ganda ng bus na nasakyan namin kanina. So, kanina, we were waiting dun sa bus stop kasi balak namin sumakay talaga ng bus papunta dito sa Marina Square. And then, sakto na may nag-stop na city tour bus. Yun na yung last, ano di ba ma? Parang last trip na ng city tour bus.
Oo.
So, kanina,
Pwede pa
we
siya
were able to go around Singapore. Ito na, Woo! Ay!
Kuha kami ng ticket para sa Singapore Flyer.
Yeah.
Bali, $40 each. Yes.
$40 each.
Yes. Time capsule.
Wala masyadong tao dito, guys. So, kami na next. Magpipicture din kami tulad dito. Ayun o, sweet naman nila ate.
Together, everyone. Okay, so before the ride, let's take a photo together. Okay? Everyone stand in the next spot.
Okay na po kami sa Singapore Flyer at hindi po namin alam kung anong oras kami matatapos dito. Marahil aabutin na kami ng madilim dito. So, sa wakas, makakatulog na si Kaloy at si Bong.
Hi guys, we're already here in the Flyer and this offers at 360. Wala yan yung single. Napakita ko sa inyo guys, kaya lang paakyat pa lang. Yan. Ito yung view. Hi guys! So nakababa na kami doon sa Singapore Flyer and now we're on the way to the Merlion. The famous Merlion. Nilalakad na namin kasi sabi nila malapit lang daw kapag nilakad mo. Ayan. Pero parang nakikita na namin. Ito na yung Esplanade Mall. Tapos 10 minutes away na lang yung Merlion. Ang naalala namin dito sa Singapore ay si Lola Meg.
Oh, yes.
Kasi nakasama namin siya dito. And
Malakas pa siya nun.
oo. Tapos naalala ko yung ngiti niya. Sa lahat na ganyan siya nakangiti.
Yun, tapos nakaakyat siya dun sa Esplanade.
So, yan. Yun yung memory ko dito with Singapore. Yun yung Marina Bay Sands. Diyan, sinut yung Crazy Rich Asians. What? Tapos yun na lang yung
Oh, siya dito ka.
yun na yung Merlion.
Oh. 7 minutes na lang.
Oo, 7 minutes na lang.
7 minutes to go.
Okay guys, so we're just 7 minutes away, diba? From the Merlion.
Oo.
The parents.
Parents.
So, kakain muna kami dito sa may, ano ba to? Parang cafeteria. We just finished eating doon sa Glutons by the Bay. And ngayon, didiretso na kami sa... Yeah. And ngayon, didiretso na kami sa Merlion. And that will be our last stop for today. So, outdoor theater pala to, guys. So, it's currently 8 p.m. na. At parang dito, kakastart pa lang ng gabi. Medyo maliwanag pa rin. Yun na yung Fullerton Hotel. Sa tapat lang kasi nun yung Merlion, guys. Hi, Marie! Marina Bay Sands. Ito yung One Fullerton. Ito na yung Fullerton Hotel.
Ayan pa yan? Mailiya tayo.
Ito yung isa pang Merlion. So, naka 3 out of 4 Merlion. Hi everyone! So, nandito pa rin kami sa may Merlion. And ito yung One Fullerton. Pero baka hanggang mamaya pa kami dito. So, I think this is where I'll end the vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you like this video. And please subscribe if you haven't yet. And click that notification bell below para you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you! See you sa next vlog.
Swimming pool. Diluda mo.
Wah, kailangan makapatilo bukas na yung hargayan ko. Tapos, alangan na tayo sa...
Tutang meron ng oras man niya rin. Kaya man niya ang oras yung kaya swimming pool.